How well do you know Chen Zhehuan? Are you a true Chen Zhehuan fan? Only the ultimate fans can score 15 out of 15. Challenge yourself and don't forget to comment your score below. Let's begin. Question 1. When was Chen Zhehuan born? A. October 29, 1996. B. April 29, 1997. D. September 29, 1995. C. September 12, 1998. It's A. Chen Zhehuan was born on October 29, 1996. If you got it right, give yourself 1 point. Question 2. Which drama made Chen Zhehuan a household name? A. Our Secret. B. Hidden Love. C. Handsome Siblings. D. Mr. Bad. B. Hidden Love. His role as Duen Jasu stole millions of hearts. Question 3. What was his first ever drama role? A. The Legend of the Condor Heroes. B. All About Secrets. C. Handsome Siblings. D. Our Secret. B. All About Secrets. He started his acting journey in 2017. Question 4. What's his zodiac sign? A. Scorpio. B. Libra. C. Sagittarius. D. Capricorn. A. Scorpio. No wonder he has that mysterious charm. Question 5. Which food does Chen Zhehuan love the most? A. Hot pot. B. Noodles. C. Dumplings. D. BBQ. Answer. He's often seen enjoying a delicious bowl of noodles. Question 6. Does Chen Zhehuan have a pet? A. Dog. B. Cat. C. Rabbit. D. No pets. Answer. A. He has a cute dog. Question 7. Before acting, which boy band was Chen Zhehuan a part of? A. TF Boys. B. NX7. C. Mr. Bio. He started in music before moving to acting. Question 8. Which color does he wear most often? A. Black. B. White. C. Blue. D. Red. Answer. B. White. He loves stylish minimal looks. Question 9. Which song did he sing for Hidden Love? A. You Are My World. B. Secret Crush. C. Falling for You. D. Waiting for You. Answer. D. Waiting for You. His soft voice makes the song extra emotional. Question 10. Which sport does Chen Zhehuan love the most? A. Basketball. B. Football. C. Badminton. D. Swimming. Answer. A. Basketball. He enjoys playing in his free time. Question 11. Which drama featured him playing twin brothers? A. Handsome Siblings. B. Hidden Love Siblings. Hidden Love Siblings. He played both brothers in this martial arts drama. Question 12. What's Chen Zhehuan's fan nickname? A. Sha Chen. B. Yun Bao. C. Sha Chen. Answer. B. Yun Bao. His fans lovingly call him that. Question 13. What was his major in university? A. Acting. B. Business. C. Engineering. D. Music. Answer. A. Acting. No wonder he's such a natural on screen. Question 14. Which feature do fans love the most about him? A. His dimples. B. His eyes. C. His smile. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. His visuals are chef's kiss. Final question 15. Which historical drama did he star in? A. Love Like the Galaxy. B. The Long Ballad. C. The Legend of the Condor Heroes. D. Story of Yangtze Palace. Answer. C. The Legend of the Condor Heroes. He played Yang Kang. That's the end of the quiz. Now, count your score. 0 minus 5 points. New fan alert. Time to binge watch his dramas. 6 10 points. You're a fan. But there's more to learn. 11 points 7 2 points. Wow, you really know him well. 15 points. OMG, you're a super fan. Chen Zhewan himself would be impressed. Comment your score below and tag your fellow fans. Let's see who's the biggest Chen Zhewan fan.